Hello everyone guys. Welcome to Learn Italian for Fun. I am Uncle Jack, and today we will try to learn some words in Italian while having fun. In this video we will be helped by the trailer of a movie, Jaws, a classic horror film from the 70s. Additionally, I want to thank Daniela for choosing it through the Our Club. Thank you very much. But how does it work? In reality, it is very simple. We will watch the trailer together and focus on some scenes looking for interesting words. Eventually adding some comments. So that's all there is. Start now. Here we are in front of the poster. A poster that is really well made indeed, by the way. Okay. Let's briefly stop on the first word. In this case, depth. Profondità. The camera frames from the vast, enchanting, and mysterious depth of the sea. So the word is indeed depth. Profondità. Let's see another very interesting word. Here it is, literally la spiaggia. It couldn't be missing in a film set at sea. La spiaggia. Moreover, quite crowded. This scene is really beautiful, expressive. Preoccupazione. We see the human protagonist of the film, the chief of police in particular, who is concerned. Preoccupazione. And now we will also find out why. Here, let's not forget that it is, after all, a movie. Nothing happened to anyone at all, absolutely, and no float has been harmed whatsoever in any way.
You yell shark, we've got a panic on our hands on the 4th of July.
We will come to clearly and fully understand what this actor is saying. Forgive me, but I do not understand it. Shark! Okay. Fischietto. The lifeguard is carefully and occasionally using the whistle to attract the attention of the swimmers. Swimmers, who clearly have not noticed anything, can be seen behind. They are simply sunbathing. Anyway, fischietto. There are really many other interesting words to say, but I don't want to include too many. In this case, as an example, it's truly quite impressive to see the shark in transparency. We can absolutely identify the word attack. Attacco. The shark is making a sudden, unexpected, and ferocious attack on the bather. Attacco. Let's take a step back. Interestingly, in Italy, the film was released as squalo. The poster indicated Jaws as the translation. And here we have a nice jaw, in this particular context of the film or movie, of the shark in close-up. Here too, at this stage of the film, they unexpectedly caught a large shark, and it is the surprisingly massive preda, a creature in the ocean. So the caught shark is indeed the prey. Preda. I won't spoil anything for you, but we are almost at the end. A rather particular word in the English language is the riflettore, and is often used in various contexts and in different scenarios. The fisherman is carefully using the spotlight to illuminate, in this case, the sea at night. Riflettore.
That guy, like a doll's eye.
Here it is indeed, the truly remarkable and undoubtedly true protagonist of the film, Squalo and the creature. Beautiful, beautiful scene. Watch it. The expression, memorable.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
I just wanted to depart this last sentence. Exactly. He absolutely needs a bigger boat.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
We have indeed reached the very end of our long and final journey. As you have seen, it is indeed simple. We watched the trailer together. We stopped on some scenes and deliberately chose some words to translate in this case, and with great care. We summarize them here, and if we think about the scenes we have seen, you will notice that it is a bit simpler, remembering them, because we will not think only of the word, but of the scene from the movie. Furthermore, if you indeed want to choose your favorite movie, just like Daniela did, you can sign up for our club. For more information, Learn Italian for Fun Club. Subscribe to the channel, give it a nice like, and if you liked the video, share it with your friends. Remember that to always learn Italian, you definitely have to have fun, or it won't work. See you next time.